Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Windows 11 also has an activity monitor if you wish to see where the updates come from and how they're shared on your network or not, depending on if you have one or multiple Windows 11 machines. So you right click on your start button, go into the settings, and the settings you will go into Windows Update. And here you will go into advanced options. In here you will see the delivery optimization tab where you're going to click, and of course activity monitor is right here. So this is where you get your statistics for the Windows update downloads. So in this case on my machine here it says 99.75% from Microsoft. And it is interesting to note how big the data is used there, 14.1 gigabytes, much more than Windows 10. Then you have the Microsoft Cache Server not available. Then there's PCs from my local network, 36 megabytes, and because I have other Windows 11 PCs. And from PCs on the internet not available because I've turned that down. Then you have upload statistics, which is what your PC sent out. And of course on the internet not available because it's turned off, but uploaded to PCs on your local network, 55 megabytes. So these are the shared updates among different machines I have. So the majority of everything comes from Microsoft. And of course, like I said, it's always interesting to see if you're wondering where maybe some gigabytes are coming from. Maybe you're trying to monitor more of your bandwidth, your activity, because maybe you have a data cap, so which means that you have to count every gigabytes count. Well, you can go here and check out the activity monitor to see how much data the updates actually have taken in the downloads from the internet. And of course, you always have the date. It's from the start of the month usually. So this is from February 1st up to February the 22nd. We have 14.1 gigabytes. Now, in my case, and this is important to note, you see download statistics, and what's important is that Windows is not the only thing here that updates on my PC. In here, and the download statistics for Windows updates, probably I have uploads or downloads that are for Microsoft Office, which is installed on my PC, which is a pretty big piece of software also. So there's probably several things that make this 14 gigabytes. If you have only Windows 11, it's probably smaller than that. So the activity monitor to check out what's happening with the Windows updates, where they're coming from, and how they're shared among your PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.